Mustang boys out here to play. Yo, look at the turbo, yo.
Perfect.
Alright, welcome back guys to another episode. Thank you guys for tuning in. Right now we're here at Auto Fest in Daytona Beach. This is an event they keep every couple months, so we're gonna check out the cars, check out the builds, and yeah, everything in between. Stay tuned guys. Checking out some cool builds today. So what's up? Nice GS. Very nice. What do you guys think of the old school jerseys? Really nice. I think this one is owned by somebody from DC Forge, if I'm not mistaken. This car as well. That's what I was. Crazy Supra right here. V-lock wheels. Yo, look at the turbo, yo. Crazy. I don't imagine how much power this is putting down. Now it's like a 911 turbo. Track. It's insane. R8 Spider, nice. First gen R8. V10 Plus right here as well.
It's R8 6W.
Yeah. So, silver is definitely the new white. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Hardy gang. Clean back Supra. I'm going to apologize, we did come here pretty late, but there's still a couple cars. Still a couple cars in the parking lot, so I was going to walk around and try to get as much as we can, you know, while everybody's still here. Yeah, man. Alright, Mustang boys out here to play. Yeah, look at the dump pipe. Nice. Guy, Subaru. See a grey Supra right there. I'm gonna check it out right now. It's nice grey Supra right here. And some work wheels, Toyo R888s. Very nice. Carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber trunk. Yeah, not bad. Apex exhaust. Fitment's very tight as well. Another silver Supra right here. What's up, man? Good? Yeah. Might get a feature for this one. Hey, them boys out. Wilding out now. What do you guys think of this S15? Super sick. Very nice setup. Look at this is F30. Looks like a M3. It was actually a 335 with the M kit, but pretty nice setup. Definitely very clean. Cool little Supra lineup right here. Check it out. Also MK5 and a couple MK4s. What do you guys think? Which one would you pick? Yeah, this is a pretty cool lineup. Let me know in the comments which one you guys would pick. Personally, I'm a fan of the black one. I won't tell you any lie. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Subscriber right here, wanted us to check out his bike. Just gonna catch a little B-roll of it real quick. Up our gang right here. 1 and 2. Alright, I see you, man. Yeah, look at mean.
Scat pack close.
Alright, both scat packs? Both scat packs? Nice. See people geeking out right here over the Lambo. It's a Huracan. Let's see what's going on. Spotted one of my dream cars, M6 Aston Yellow. Jesus. Oh my god. Yeah, this spec, super clean. Carbon ceramics, black toe wheels.
This happened last Christmas.
Yeah, man. And performance exhaust. I know. What do you guys think if I got this for the channel? Very nice. Actually, funny enough, we're just talking to the owner of this car. He's Jamaican. Asking if I'm ready to sell it.
Another slave to a page in my rhyme book.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up. AutoFest was great as usual. Saw some really good cars, cars I might be interested in getting. And yeah, everything is always good as usual. So if you like this video, please remember as usual, smash the like button, give us a thumbs up, let us know what you guys think. And yes, stay tuned for the next one.